I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're having trouble with payments not going through on Truist, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your account balance. Make sure you have sufficient funds in your account. Sometimes payments fail simply due to insufficient balance. Step 2. Verify payment details. Double-check the payment information you had, including account numbers and amounts. A small typo can cause a payment to be rejected. Step 3. Review payment limits. Look into any daily or transaction limits set on your account. Exceeding these limits can prevent payments from processing. Step 4. Update your app. Ensure that your Truist app is up to date. Outdated versions may have bugs that affect payment processing. Step 5. Contact customer support. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the issue.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. I hope these steps help you get your payments back on track. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask.